The NPP hospital na kohwe emoja na ejina boy nimu. I'm taking this opportunity to tell you that I'm going to contest. And they will contest until they should be ready. Whatever they want to do, nobody can stop me from contesting. But what happened at Brekum, I needed to check Abronye for him to stop whatever he's doing. But that's it. The American say NPP Edin Kugo the last election. Timothy said reorganization of the party. And Dr. Baumia Koranda will invite other contestants for unity's sake. Timothy said important. See, you never call any. But Oshe in your ma a course when you're Mifi said semi free more. Ebeboa Dr. Baumia no why because tension a woman say ni pebia ball who Paul so kasa na mo media for his muka home. Yebekasa yem free program na sekrane all over the place. And some will be all true, you will be all twisted on his head. If he say nipa me no mo mean to me and protect you because okay, a binomo any abrese by hook or crook. I will say one candidate near Deneba. It is a uko baby crown will be a show t-shirt na yeko brono. Emfa and kabumba intimeno. For the sake of party and for the sake of unity, and I'm withdrawing. Mashe akolana ya won is kind. You see, we are taking politics too low because enye memranti ekure no mu na mo afed the students. Sika just 1,000 cedis a branch every mass students. And at least Raj security or don't buy before sebeko. No credit mebo untumi abaso. O hwe ne kasa o kaye. 2 places in here. Utim say he's real, he means unity. Udia I was surprised. The crowd there nam kwanso ebe ye program ameba. Ena abrantie ekoche students omo ebe shi jama wo. Sa intolerance no ebi no say. E wo bekono ye wo Bawumia ladies. I don't have a problem. Nti so bi ba na me crowd na minim. Yen could from a buakwan you call Bonah's could di. Tia buy and be share crowd in here now amount for organizing students in the second ladies. Now I don't want to take the shine from Dr. Baumia because no creamy or no na or ye flag bearer. To no codas in CDH. I don't want to take the shine. Dimeno a one room nam castle or mon court naturally. And on before so you know students. Omushi jaman cry bo me de me fra wo mu a me ma mu science wo mu nya kra na aginja wo ya wie kama wontumi spoke well fi efiri wo no a me nam kwa so ne friend say ya wo student ne ba ko sikan na omo rush no to Central Hospital nam so we den enu say omushi jaman wie no me a me nyonko ba ko eno ma wo mu 1,000 cedis. Or the 1,000 cedis in manner, at least right security no the buyer no. Him sikan free students in so. And only moye argument students and so omfa sikamawo. Indeed, nipa no this kind ma crack and say no. Students no and I'm the ma what you say and then to yi mu 200 na students so do so change. Sa 200 no the amawo. The omoye he na Omuma warning shot. First, Obo cry or you children no so won't free home. Just said they are so intolerant. Home free or yet their so-called security, at least Raj, I don't buy. No credit, yeah, call Randy, Bawumia security, I know them. TSC for more, a church, I won't didn't come and it is only Kumasi and at least Raj. I go fast, our boys, yeah. Omo be good party in any mass. At least alright, no patcho or your dear or party. Minimum. I knew him from America. Oba our big man was security. Minimum. Yeah, we know on count. If you Kumasi or count. Now, boys, no. Omo are very smart. They took the car number. Yeah, we know whom sir Toyota Hayes no. If you Kumasi Kwani security for now, me mean the Hontino. Beginning of the scene, crash as no more prevent students not to sing. For me, no so resisting woman. I was not there. I'm going to you at the children. And like you, we have the bullet. Boys, you know, smart. Almost fairly. Pallet, you know, the call. Police. And we na nienti a me draw no say enuanom na edimachi no a omu share me vision no man hwede ya ne students imponi na ne ebeduru sa amrante no so di me feel say we have to stay away and let Dr. Bawumia continue on his talk feel say ebeboa odia say but we will also regroup ourselves in appropriate time bibi also etimi eboa party bibi a also me so me to enhance the chances here. And I'm taking this opportunity to tell you that I'm going to contest. And I'll contest until they should be ready. Whatever they want to do, nobody can stop me from contesting. Cooperate in your build their check. New entrance. I will know the history. I'm glad to say a general secretary said this time by May or the school no more people that have sacrificed. Why NPP came to power and everything. Until immediate men candidate for the sake of unity, me jina ho preach unity and yet aha and I'm be jina a preach violence. No. Only himself me normal star and can retaliate easily. Because we know the guy and can retaliate. But all retaliate and I can Agyapong you say, where as someone Abronye, me yonko pa no, they will see group anima say away. Na me hu say group will be the Dr. Bawumia chia. Me kasa no ma twisted on. I've seen a publication and Canadian Agyapong backs again. Yeah, can you maybe omo ya omo call round ubi kasa and a ma you lose election. Kasa omo kawo primaries. Em say nipa ba ko de no. Nipa ba ko de obi anti ni aka Agyapong e respond to yanko an yeti. Let's try NPP4. So one-sided politics. I believe that if we are not united, what the Jesus Christ Bakura NPP can win. And the history will tell you from 1979 between Pauli and Victoso. In the Omwa, Emrantia Bemo so aggressive. Yes, I know. We did the history. I'm glad say General Secretary or the same man a better in Amu. Na patapa semno ni yem pineni near the atom chain. Na yet me we need 2028.
Yeah, honorable only opinion for na shase from Western region. Ebe pem some bedu asantman meaning say national chairman ka general secretary ka asemi by official otimi aboma ma dey say nti and operation free agro.
Yeah, I know Dr. Bawumia kra frame na mkajenze say na city media enidi mo I want to pull out. Many general secretaries work as many Asia akajenze I'm pulling out. And everybody thinks it's in order.
Inti enya se wudi o ya bi na wodi yesa.
No, ya de mdi ya menye nipa. Me nipa. But ya no wudi akopem sen. Me the interest I am be free mo and he say I need to protect young men, women who support my cause. Because students go mba ni awo msika. And now hospital na ko hwe emoja na ejina boy ni mu a doctors ni twiguha. Boy no ya de no. General secretary ko frɛ no. O ma list raj ni na some what can say students no and the kotwe dade and odi ono na ring bi hye no and na odi ebo no. Obanyini say ko hospital ho bi. Uhuni into a ring and a tree in nipa and fin esa. Timidie, minia. A Korean tino. I don't want to talk much. I just want to pull out. Na Dr. Bawumia enya kwan enye no.
Yate ne kra no abrantie no se ne wosi kasa obi ne na kasa no se mama police for aswat. Se we dey enya party asem. Eno dey bone na obi eti.
Eno dey wa wani tua. Enya dey amejai no ene china. I need to protect Ubia or support to be. And yes, sir, they will do worse things. I love him. You want to pictures in here. Boys are smart. They before see any do a crowd, now lead an acco, Sintraso police station, a cultural statement, a bocard number, a trio no more and no more be as evidence at their mind. May I want justice for the gentleman. And yes, sir, a bar signal to Obia would dimechi say asem tonwa me hon afrim. Odia say I'm going to follow the matter and make sure the guy is arrested. Yo, Yamisham, the moon announced system mobile. Well, in English, all I'll say is due to what happened yesterday, I want to pull out, or myself and my team want to pull out, because lives are threatened. I don't think I can protect my team enough. So we want out so that Dr. Bawumia can do his campaign tour. I admit that he was the flag bearer. So if he's going round and for the sake of unity, he invites it and it turns out to be something different. I mean, we just have to stay away for them to do their own thing. So in brief, all I'm saying is my team is pulling out, but I still call for unity in the party. This will not scare me to leave the party. We built the party from 1990 till now. So as for intimidation, they should rest assured that intimidation will not help them. I'm not somebody you can intimidate for me to stay out of the party. I'm still a party member. I'm calling for unity. And therefore, if I'm preaching for unity, I will not preach violence. I just want everybody, all supporters, to calm down. But I'll make sure justice is done to the student who was hurt. I mean, publications are coming out that my supporters were fighting over 2,000 cedis. It wasn't 2,000, it was just 1,000 cedis. That at least Raj security that he brought snatched from the students. So it's not my support who were fighting over 2,000. That is not true. And a matter like this, we have to be seen apologizing. We should be apologetic. But if you come out with false publications like that, then we are being defensive. It will not help the unity that we want. So I'm pleading with those on the other side managing social media, saying all sorts of things. I've seen it all. I don't want to respond, because in one breath, Agyapong is preaching unity, and another breath he's preaching violence. It doesn't make me the real Agyapong they know. But what happened at Brekum, I needed to check Abronye for him to stop whatever he's doing. It's a clear indication from Brekum to Kumasi. Tells me that, look, you are not needed, you are not wanted. So we are pulling out. Let them do their own thing. And at an appropriate time, I assure them that we are also going to campaign. I want everybody to know, every party member to know that I'm going to contest. And then they should be ready. And respectfully, nobody can tell me to back off. I will not back off. Because we started from 1990 till now. So in short, I want to say a big thank you to everybody. And because of what happened last night, that is why we're pulling out. Thank you very much.
Say, akwantum, abrochire, na opese osendi sika ko momo number so ewo Ghana. And say opese osendi sika eko bank account bi so ewo Ghana. Therefore, my main come for Lemfi amount. The entire make come for Lemfi amount nyina ne say. Pay money transfer or more exchange rate ewo soro kese pa. Lemfi. Now I need some crackers and say we Europe. Now we have first transfer with 50 euros amount 20 euros cashback. And now we UK. Now your first £50 transfer amount £10 cashback. Or Canada, any Americans now you have $100 first transfer amount $20 cashback. Nemum answer na benya cashback no. Mema remfi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Biemu so se wa America na opese wo ship nyoma free Washington DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Odiane Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door-to-door shipping company. Medofo Fre Box Oak says ya o fro ma when imra so no mu gina waboboa no omba be box nyoma ne kama na omu dia call Ghana asumdwe mama. Omo so eni December ko e kan ne say ufro ma ka kyerom say enam TheBonahShow so na ote omunka omusum prempren na ombechew 10% discount. Nia chat woni say o ko Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana be Kumasi na udru Kumasi obepe baabi adam asomadwo obepe baabi a ewo 100% security ewo 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese ope baabi adam asomadwo wa obe sorry with my ye waduane live to say sabi uti ufie papa bi ma fre Pcash Properties and I say call www.pcashproperties.com